Hello my dear students, welcome back to maths class. In today's video, we will discuss some important questions for 6 marks from integral chapter. In your previous video, we have discussed about properties of integrals, that is for 5 marks. And now here the first question is what? The prove that integration of these all are definite integral. Integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x, where this a is a lower limit, b is upper limit. This is a function of x. This would be equal to what? The lower limit is same, upper limit is same. If it is a function of x, wherever x is there, you have to replace x by what here? Lower limit plus upper limit minus this x, that is your f of a plus b minus x with respect to dx. Then also we have the sub questions, that is evaluate the integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx divided by 1 plus square root of tan x. Okay, then how to solve this question? This one is very easy, also important for 5 marks question. See here, consider first integration a to b f of x dx. This would be what? Capital I. Then see here, we need what here? This is your LHS part. We need to prove that this would be equal to this. Yes, then how to prove this one? We have to substitute a plus b minus x in place of x. Yes or no? So by your substitution method, we have to take a substitution means what? We have to take x is equal to something in terms of that new function in terms of t. Yes or no? We need what? A plus b minus x. So here put a plus b. Don't take here x, because your new substitution will be what? In present in what? In terms in what? Small t. So we have to take here t. Just remember like this. We have to put x is equal to a plus b minus t. See here. Then you all know that by the substitution method, the lower limit and upper limit will be changed. It means first we have to differentiate this one. We need to get what? dt value. That's why differentiate with respect to x. What happened here? The differentiation with respect to x means what? 1 is equal to differentiation of a. A means what here? Lower limit, upper limit. Obviously that is both are constant. So it means 0 minus with respect to x means dt by dx. What happened here? Dx goes to this side. It becomes multiplication. Dx into 1 dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, the new integral is changes to this. But we need to change the lower limit and upper limit here. Okay, so the lower limit is what? Is in place of x. X is equal to a. What about t is equal to? If x is equal to, what about t? Then where to substitute this x is equal to a? In this equation. In the equation we have to substitute x is equal to a. If you substitute x is equal to a, what happened? We need t value, no? What happened? See here, x is equal to a plus b minus t is there. If you substitute this x is equal to a, what happened? A plus b minus t. This a goes to this side, it become minus a is equal to b minus t. A minus a is 0 is equal to b minus t. It means what? T, this minus t goes to this side, it becomes plus t. T is equal to b. And now your lower limit a is changing to what? B. Understood? And now what about upper limit? X is equal to b is there. What would be the t value? Yes. Again here we have to substitute x is equal to b in this equation. That is your substitution. In place of x we have to put b value. Then a plus b minus t. Then this plus b goes to this side. What happened? B minus b is equal to a minus t. B minus b get 0 is equal to a minus t. Then minus t goes to this side. It becomes plus t is equal to a. And now your upper limit is what? A. B changing to b to a. Lower limit is b. This is your lower limit. This is your upper limit in the next new integral. That is here. Lower limit is what? B. We are changing to in terms of t, no, that is in terms of t. Your original function is what? In terms of x. We are trying to convert that into t, no, so that's why lower limit is changing and upper limit is also changing. So lower limit a to b, okay, b, then upper limit b is there, we got here a, then b to a. Now your lower limit is b, upper limit is a. The next f of a plus b minus t. In place of x we have to put which value? A plus b minus t. Then what about this dx value? Dx value we got here minus dt. Now observe here, your new integral is all in terms of t only. Yes or no? Yes. This minus goes to outside. What happened? Minus b by a f of a plus b minus t into dt. Yes, understood this one? Yes, you all know this property. One of the property of definite integral. Observe here, if integration a to b is f of x with respect to dx is there, we need to change directly a to b, b to a. Means ನಮಗೆ b ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೇಕು, a ಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You all know this property. Okay, if you need to change the lower limit to upper limit to lower limit, your sign will be changes. Yes. Then according to this property, what happen here? I need to change this lower limit to upper limit to lower limit. So a to b is there. If it is sign changes means here negative sign is there, changing to plus sign. Then as it is f of a plus b minus t into dt. And now your answer would be what here? Everything is in terms of x. So we try to convert this again into x. So try to convert it again into x is nothing but don't put here what you do in indefinite integral, no, that type. So here again we have one more property, a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of t into dt. It means what? This means what? A to b, if you replace x by t, replacing is different, substitution is different. Think here. If you replace x by t, your lower limit and upper limit never changes. See here, a to a, b to b. If you replace x by simply x by t. So according to that property, if I replace t by x, wherever t is there, no, just put the x value. X only, not x value, x. Then a and b, lower limit and upper limit change agodilla. F of a plus b minus x with respect to dx. This is nothing but this only. Yes or no? A to b, f of x, a plus b minus x. Then we have to calculate this now, which is integration of pi by 6 pi by 3 dx divided by 1 plus square root of tan x. ಒಂದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದಿರತ್ತ, ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೇ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು we are trying to solve this to using this only. See here the sub question is this. The party ಒಳಗ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ರಿ 8 9 ಅವು ಅಷ್ಟ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. In that A question, integration question, that is definite integral, and B is continuous 4 marks questions. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಈಸಿ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇರುವ 8 ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 5 to 10 minutes ಫಾರ್ 6 marks questions. So how to solve this one? See here, I is equal, if I will take I is equal to pi by 6 pi by 3 dx divided by 1 plus square root of tan x. Okay, Next, I is equal to integration of pi by 6 pi by 3 dx whole divided by here. 1 plus square root of tan x is there, means first try to convert this tan x to in terms of sine and cos. Okay, it means what? Tan x can be written as was sine x by cos x. Is it? Yes. Then take this one separately. Pi by 6 pi by 3 dx as it is whole divided by cross multiplication. The square root of a by b is nothing but, can we write like square root of a divided by square root of b using your properties of square root functions? Yes. Then cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. Square root of cos x into 1 square root of cos x plus square root of sin x divided by square root of cos x. This is whole divided by this into this into this, whole divided by square root of cos x. Then you all know this whole divided by something is there, then divided by something is there, then this goes to upside. It means I is equal to pi by 6 pi by 3 square root of cos x with respect to dx whole divided by square root of cos x plus square root of sin x. Okay, this is your equation number 2. This is your equation number, the original function is your, the original question is equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಇದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಅವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ 3 ಪೈ plus 6 into pi 6 pi whole divided by 6 into 3 18 minus 6. The next what happened? 3 pi plus 6 pi how much? 9 pi divided by 18 minus 6. 9 ones are 9 twos are. You will get what here? Final pi by 2 minus x. It means what? We have to interchange x by pi by 2 minus x. Where? In this equation. What is this equation? And now here let I is equal to pi by 6 pi by 3 the root cos x is there. We have to change. This is your original equation, original question. Okay, ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ರೀಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗೇನು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ cos pi by 2 minus x plus square root of sin pi by 2 minus x is there. Yes, you all know that the trigonometric functions. What? If at 90 degree, 90 plus or minus theta, okay, cos will changes to what? Sin will changes to cos. Using that method, pi by 6 pi by 3 is there. This cos is what happened? The cos will changes to sin at 90 degree. Whole divided by this one is what now? Sin x plus square root of cos x. Now it is your, don't forget to write the dx sign. This is your equation number 2. Okay, we have to add equation number 1 and 2. You will get what here? adding equation 1 and 2. What happen if we add the equation 1 and 2? So here don't get confused. Adding equation number 1 and 2 is nothing but ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು LHS ಪಾರ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ I ಇದೆ. ಸೊ I ಪ್ಲಸ್ I ಏನಾಯ್ತು ರೀ 2I ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಎಸ್ ಆನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮರಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2I ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ π/6 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ π/6 π/3 square root of cos x divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x with respect to dx, plus similarly here also the limits are same. Then square root of sin x divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x with respect to dx. Here both the integral is same with the same limit, so we can directly write this like whole integral. We have to add internal function cos x plus sin x whole divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x with respect to dx is there. The numerator and denominator having the same function, this all get cancelled. What remains here? Yes, dx. Here 2I is there, isn't it? Yes. Next, integration of with respect to dx is x. π/6 π/3 is there. You all know that integration of 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ π/6 π/3 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ π/3. ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2I ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2I is equal to ಎಸ್ π/3 ಮೈನಸ್ π/6 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ π/6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. π/6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 6 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ, 6π minus 3 into pi, 3π divided by 18 is equal to 6π 3π minus ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2π ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3π ಬರುತ್ತೆ, whole divided by 18 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 1s 3 6s. Then you got here π/6. Then we need what? I means what? The original function, original question, sub question. Okay, but here it is what? 2 times of I is there. We need only simply I means take this 2 to RHS part. It becomes what? π/6 into 2, it becomes π/12. I is equal to π/12. It means the final answer is what? That answer π/12. Remember here, you are solving the definite integral means you may get the particular value in this your answer. Okay, the next class we will discuss further properties of definite integral with some examples. Thank you.